Hi there, today we're going to show you how to make 4 value spring crafts that you can do with your kids.
We've got this paper flower bouquet,
this butterfly suncatcher,
this stitched wall art,
and these air dry clay photo frames that are also magnetic.
Now if you like this video then make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel.
And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on all the new content.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make these.
For these makes you will need some magnetic sheet, air dry clay, coloured paper, paper straws, twine, craft glue, wool, a large blank card, a skewer or similar to poke holes, a plastic needle, cardboard tubes, tissue paper, a pipe cleaner, paint and some googly eyes. To make the flower art, use the template provided to draw a flower shape onto the white card in pencil. Open up the card and use a metal skewer or similar to make holes all the way along the pencil lines, about 5mm apart. You can place a bit of blue tack underneath the card to make this easier if you like. Use a large needle to stitch the wool into the holes on the card. Go all the way around the edges, then fill up the petal with wool in random patterns. To make some magnetic picture frames, print and cut out some small pictures. Roll the clay into long sausages about 1 centimetre in thickness. Then bend the clay around the picture in any shape you like. For this one we're making it wiggly. We're also making a heart and oval shape. When you get all the way around, trim the edges and press them to seal together. Glue the pictures onto the back of the magnetic sheet, then cut them out. Add glue to the bottom of each piece of clay and glue the frames onto the pictures. Once dry, you can trim away the excess. For the paper flowers, you can use the template to cut flowers from coloured paper. You will need about 14. Cut some circles from white paper for the flower centres. Glue the circles into the flowers, then glue the flowers together in pairs. Cut leaves in different sizes from the remaining coloured paper. You can bend the petals of the flower up to make them look a little bit more 3D. Glue a paper straw onto the back of each flower, then glue the leaves onto the stems and leave to dry. Bundle up the flowers into a bunch and tie them together with twine to finish. You could also glue them together if you preferred. For the butterflies, take a cardboard tube and divide it and cut it into 4 pieces for each butterfly. Paint the tubes in segments. Cut bits of tissue paper into segments like this. Then glue them together with a very small amount of glue to create a large stained glass window effect and leave to dry. Glue the tube segments onto the tissue paper. Then once dry, cut around the segments. Add googly eyes to the cardboard tubes. Then cut a pipe cleaner into 4 segments. Curl the tops over and glue inside the tubes for antennae. Glue the segments onto the side of each butterfly for beautiful wings. Then you can stick these onto a window where the light will shine beautifully through the tissue paper.
So there we go, 4 value spring crafts for kids.
There are loads more ideas over on the Hobbycraft channel for spring, so don't forget to check those out too.
Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.